I'm really hungry. Why hasn't Zainab woken up yet?
Oh no! I'm late! Ummi, is breakfast ready?
Almost, sweetheart. Just give me a little time.
Ummi, is breakfast ready?
Yes, my dears, just a few more minutes.
Okay. Why is breakfast taking so long today? I don't know. Why is Ummi late today? Maybe she woke up late.
Breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
Wow. I must finish this quickly. Ummi, is lunch ready?
It's almost ready, sweetheart. Please wait a little.
Why is lunch so late today?
I'm sorry. I'm still finishing it.
Here is lunch, everyone.
It looks wonderful.
Ummi, did you make any snacks?
No, not today, sweetheart. I'm too tired.
Why are you angry, Ummi?
I'm not angry, dear.
Ya Allah, forgive me. I missed my prayer. I should have prayed on time.
Wake up, sweetheart. Are you okay?
Oh no! I'm late!
Zainab, are you okay?
I'm late. I'll quickly make breakfast.
Don't hurry. We'll make breakfast together.
Together?
Of course.
Ummi, Baba, you're making breakfast together?
Yep. And we could use some more helpers.
Ummi, you woke up late today?
Yes, my dear.
Don't worry, Ummi. We are always happy to help. We're almost finished! And Ummi didn't have to do it all. Even though Ummi woke up late today, breakfast still became ready on time.
That's because everyone helped when it was needed. We shouldn't expect Ummi to do everything for us all the time.
Alhamdulillah, this feels much easier.
Because you don't have to do everything alone.
Allahu Akbar.
A family means helping one another. When someone is tired or needs help, we should notice it and lend a hand.
Alhamdulillah. Having a family that helps each other is a beautiful blessing. Look at Ali's hair. It's getting so long.
I think it's time for a little trim. I'll trim it for you.
No, Baba, I don't want to cut it.
Allahu Akbar.
Ummi, please make the vada very crispy.
Ummi, the chutney is ready. Chutney and vada are the perfect combination.
Ummi, this vada is so crispy.
Tea and vada together are the perfect combination.
Alhamdulillah, simple food tastes even better when we enjoy it together.
Alhamdulillah, Ya Allah. Thank you for giving me a family that notices, cares, and helps one another.
A mother shouldn't have to ask for every little thing. Sometimes love means noticing and helping.